Today we make 7S 10P for 24 volt configuration battery pack using the Sony VTC4 cells. Here is the calculation by repacker.com. This is a 7S 10P. All packs are very close to each other, very less deviation. Total capacity is 14.819 Ah amp hour, equivalent to 383 watt hour. The internal resistance is below than 50 milliohm because that cells are harvested from the portable blowers which very draw high current, so their internal resistance is very low, so we will use that cells. Pack is calculated by repacker.com. that is a tool which calculates the battery pack. Is a free tool. You can check that one, repacker.com, if you're making the refurbished cells battery pack. So let's get started. I am using Do Create portable spot welder. That is the best for the small battery packs. Our 24 volt 7S 10P lithium ion 18650 battery pack is complete. That cells was Sony VTC4 and I test them overnight on discharge 100 watt. The almost harvested capacity from that cells I get 400 watt hour because that cells is below than 2 amp hour and their discharge rate is very high. The continuous discharge is 9 amp, so the voltage is never get sag because the each pack of the cell internal resistance is very low and their capacity is very similar. This built-in BMS have charge balance, so while it's charging it can balancely charge all the packs properly, all the cells properly. So right now no need active balancer. If in future needed then can add it, but no need because their internal resistance is very low, their capacity is very similar, and they are from same manufacturer, Sony VTC4. So the battery is very good and it will be used in our portable power station with that 24 volt 300 watt pure sine wave power inverter and this Sony battery. You can say it is a Sony. Amazing, good, perfect.